Hello everyone, my name is Kirsten Emenecker, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Zoom and the different tools it has to offer. So we will begin in the lower left hand corner with the mic icon, and this will allow you to mute yourself or unmute yourself. So I am currently muted and no one in my video would be able to hear me. The next one is to start your video. So right now my video is not on, so you would not be able to see whatever's in front of my camera, which is myself. But if I turn it on, then you would be able to see myself. Next, you have security. These are different options for the host to use to enable security within the Zoom. Next, you have participants. So right now it's just me, but if there were more participants, you would be able to see them and their names. And then next, you have the chat icon, and you are able to type messages to everyone into the Zoom. And this is a great tool to use when a professor or a teacher is talking and you do not want to talk over them. Next, you have the record icon, and this will allow you to record the meeting. This would be great for studying or taking notes. And then you have the option for breakout rooms, which usually the host will designate rooms for your peers to meet in, and you can work on different problems together. And then we have reactions, and if you click on one of them, it will show a thumbs up, and then the whole meeting will be able to see that. I hope you enjoyed looking through the tools that Zoom has to offer, and have a good rest of your day.